Fever, sore muscles, and maybe cold shivers through the night. These are some of the known side effects of taking the COVID-19 vaccine. However, many women are now reporting other side effects of the vaccine, especially related to their menstruation. Heavy menstrual bleeding, shortening menstrual cycle, irregular periods, bleeding frequently, and postmenopausal bleeding. These are some of these side effects women have been complaining about post-vaccination.
So I had taken the vaccine around May, and after that, immediately there were no side effects, but I realized that my period cycle, that started messing up. So usually I used to have pretty regular periods, my flow was also normal, and I didn't have that much cramps. I did have cramps, but not that much. However, as right after the vaccine, my next cycle became extremely painful. There were a lot of cramps, there was a lot of flow, so there was a lot of irregularities that were going on, and that has still been going on, and there's still a lot of pain, and this started right after the vaccine. It wasn't like this before.
While there are not many voices in India, internationally several women have reported these changes in their menstruation cycles. Dr. Kate Clancy, a medical anthropologist, shared her experience in February 2021 after taking the Moderna vaccine. After receiving similar responses from many women, she decided to begin a survey documenting women's experiences with a former colleague, Dr. Catherine Lee. Gynecologists say women have come forward with such problems. Several menopausal women who do not have periods have reported that they are experiencing bleeding post-vaccination. This suggests that there might be some physical reaction to it, but experts have not been able to establish a plausible link yet. Most clinical trials seem to have skipped focusing on this important aspect.
I had noticed that people's periods did come forward a few days, 3-4 days early. So instead of getting their periods on the normal date, they would get about 5 or 6 days earlier, or they would get it, usually earlier and usually a little heavier sometimes. But frankly speaking, I'm not sure whether it was because of the vaccine or because it was anxiety and worry and fear. The other thing, we do know that if you have high fever or severe body ache like a viral, your periods can come early or the periods can be heavy.
Many gynecologists are wary that this might be taken out of context and used to further spread vaccine hesitancy, especially due to lack of data. Claims that taking vaccination during periods will decrease immunity have been called out as absolutely fake by the medical community. Women, however, feel that it is important to have studies so that there can be more scientific information about it, which will also reduce the chances of panic mongering. Doctors also agree that there is lack of data. Various doctors are also sharing Google Forms on Twitter to help speed up the process of documentation to have a big enough sample size to get to the depth of this issue. Experts say that even if there is a link, it in no way suggests that vaccination can affect a woman's ability to have a child or their immunity. However, it is also important that women do not feel ignored in this whole process. Women informed about any such side effects with proper counseling might not feel the need to panic and voice their fears on social media. Pooja Das for The Federal.